Toyotomi TDM80 Desiccant Dehumidifier. 8 litres water extraction per day. Solving condensation problems and protecting the fabric and furnishings of the home. Eco-friendly energy efficiency system to control humidity. Simple controls that are easy to grip. Several unique advanced features, such as an ioniser for freshening the air. Easy to carry handle. A pause feature that makes it the safest dehumidifier. Side-to-side airflow directs dry filtered air to where you want it. The water level is visible from front or side. This means that the Toyotomi dehumidifier can be flat against the wall or even between furniture to save floor space. Easy to carry no-spill water container that is only ever found on premium products such as the Toyotomi Desiccant Dehumidifier. Unique drip stop even means no water comes out when the container is removed. Simple controls that are not affected by power cuts. Ideal for caravans, boats or outbuildings. Washable filter removes dust and helps to keep your home cleaner. No replacements are needed. Automatic operation all day and every day. Can be permanently drained to allow for continuous use. Simple and easy to fit. Power cord above any water to ensure full safety. Build quality second to none. Only Toyotomi have True Fan, where fans are designed and selected for minimum noise and vibration. Premium Desiccant Dehumidifier and Ioniser designed for Europe. Toyotomi TDM80 Desiccant Dehumidifier. 8 litres water extraction per day.